How to change country on Amazon. The first thing you want to do is to head over to your settings. Move into apps. Head over to the application Amazon. Tap on storage and cache. You need to clear the storage of this application, so tap on clear storage and then click on OK. Once the storage has been cleared, head over to the application Amazon. It will directly land you on this interface. Right here you can see the option of country or region. Tap on it. Well, from here you can select any of the country that you want to. For now, let me set the country to Germany. Tap on it. You can also change the language if you want to. Tap on language. Different language will be available to you. Choose the language as per your need. Once you are done, just tap on done. Now you can simply log in or sign into your account and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is how you can change the country on Amazon. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.